Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Easy here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my DIY deep conditioning and protein treatment. This treatment is great for dry and damaged hair and also promotes a healthy hair growth. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a video. Okay, let's get right into the video. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is avocado. Avocados are very good for your hair. I can't even stress enough. They are like the superhero for dry hair. They are packed with a lot of proteins, vitamins, amino acids, and so many other nutrients that moisturize your hair and also promotes healthy hair growth. I'm going to be using 1.5 of an avocado. So all you need to do is to peel off the back, take out the seed and mash it up. So you can either use your hands to mash it up or use a blender. I personally am going to be using a blender in this video because I feel like it helps get a better consistency and make sure I get rid of all the lumps, because trust me, you don't want lumps in your hair. That's just going to be very stressful to take out. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is an egg. When it comes to eggs, the main thing there is the egg yolk, because the egg yolk contains a lot of proteins which nourish your hair roots and also your scalp, leading to the growth of healthy new hair and also promotes hair shine. I'm going to be using 1 egg for this mixture. So all you need to do is crack open the egg, add it to the avocado, then add both the avocado and the egg to your blender, or if you're mashing it up with your hand, that's fine. But when you're using the blender, you want to make sure you add a little water. I didn't show in the video, so you add a little water so it's easier for the blending process. So after blending, you want to get a mixture that looks something like this. So the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is shea butter. So shea butter contains vitamins A and E that help repair damaged hair and also promotes fast, healthy hair growth. It also coats the hair and protects it from heat damage, so whether it's from the sun or from like hair straighteners or like blow dryer, so this protects your hair really well. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of shea butter. I'm going to be dissolving the shea butter in hot water just because I don't want to apply direct heat to any of the ingredients I'm using in this mixture, because applying heat can kill the nutrients, which we don't want that. So I'm gonna add a little hot water to the bowl and just add the shea butter to it. So the next ingredient to the party is gonna be olive oil. Olive oil promotes a moisturized and healthy scalp. It also helps you fight bacteria and improve blood circulation in your scalp, leaving your hair follicles stronger than ever and your hair shining so bright. I'm only gonna be using 3 tablespoons of olive oil for this mixture. And you want to make sure you're using extra virgin oil, as this has more antioxidants in it and helps promote a healthy hair growth. And the final ingredient we're going to be adding is honey. So honey strengthens your hair follicles, which promotes a healthy hair growth and also reduces hair breakage. It also helps lock in the moisture in your hair strands. I'm just going to be adding 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. It's also better to use organic honey, but I didn't have organic honey in the house. This is what I have, and it says it's pure honey, so hopefully it works just as well. So now I'm just trying to mix everything up. At first it's going to be difficult because you know oil and water don't mix, and also we're not using direct heat to melt the shea butter. But after a while, it's going to take some time, but after a while, after messing around with it, everything is going to mix up. So after mixing everything up, this is the consistency you want to get. I'm also going to divide this mixture into 2 separate portions, and the mixing is done, guys. Now to get to the interesting part. And guys, I forgot to mention, if you have any of the mixture left, you want to store them in the freezer and not the fridge, because remember it has avocado in it and avocado goes bad really fast, so you want to store it in the freezer. So I'm gonna be applying the hair mask on a clean hair. I just washed my hair with some shampoo and the hair is halfway dry. And guys, I'm sitting on the floor because this is about to get really messy. Now I'm just gonna section my hair into 4 different sections because it's just easier to walk in sections. Then after that, I'll start applying the hair mask with my hands, and also as you're applying, you want to be finger detangling the hair. You want to also make sure that you're massaging the mask into your scalp properly. After I'm done applying the hair mask, I like to cover my hair with like a plastic bag or plastic cap and just leave my hair to sit for about an hour. So it's been an hour, at least for me. For you guys, it's probably been like 1 second. And I just wanted to show you guys how my hair was looking. Honestly guys, my hair was feeling so soft. I was absolutely in love with it. I'm just gonna wash my hair with shampoo and apply conditioner, you know, the regular schmegular wash day routine. And yeah, and I'll be back. So this is my hair after washing, and as you can see, my hair is fully moisturized and is literally dripping in moisture. I've got to mention, when you're washing your hair, you want to make sure you wash it properly, because I was still removing lumps from my hair. I don't know if it's the avocado or the shea butter, but there were still some tiny lumps in my hair that I had to get rid of. So now my hair is halfway dry. I'm gonna be applying my leave-in conditioner and styling my hair. I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-in Conditioner. Alright, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.